nangu nje ubonela nje litile ubathi ngibani Gabriel ukuthi ujole nje nabafata bakhona. Yebo, nako kutintintingo ababantu khona lana. Hello sir. How can I assist you? Yes, did you bring the scripts sir? Mana ngisawulethela umlungu nona koso ungathi uhluphanyana lana. Okay, so no. Bathi ufuna ama antibiotics. Nangu sisithi phethuna. Yebo. Umthalala lapha ngifuna ngicala ama antibiotics aphelile lana. Uti aphelile nga. Okay, sesi. Sir, do you think you can come and tell me how I must perform my job here? Hello? Sir? Hello? You cannot, this is written. No. This is Petunia. Mthathela amaphilisi lokusheke. Mfakela amaphilisi lokusheke laphana ke. Sir, there's no ways you can come here and tell me what the doctor has written here. I can read it says clearly here. It's not antibiotics. This is for headache. Phethuna ngicela umfakele iphilisi le ngathi ukuhlanyana umlungu uhlanyanyana umnika iphilisi sengqondweni. Yes, sir, we are busy attending you. Don't worry. Just be patient. Habona nomlungu nokona ngathi yahlupha. Wena. Yazi ngimbonile lapha. Bewathatha lomunye imfatheni umunye indoda lapha wayimntshentshela. Bahamba balale ngathi balale emahlathini nalaba abafati. Yebo. Nayo ke ngithi mina ngicatha. Sir, can you just be patient here? I'm busy doing my job as hayi angisakhona yazi le bantu laba bangihlupha. Okay, take your script and go to another place. Bye. Tsatsa wena.